Good morning! Look who is back!
Comeback time!
That wasn't yesterday. So where are we?
We're in Bromma Airport for the first time ever.
It's Saturday morning, it's right now 8 a.m. in the morning, and we will be back to Stockholm tomorrow evening. So it's just like 2 full days, kind of, in Brussels. So we're about to depart, a little bit of a coffee, and then we go.
Messieurs, bienvenue à Bruxelles, il est actuellement 11h10. Assurez-vous de ne rien oublier à bord et soyez prudents en ouvrant les coffres à bagages.
Welcome to Belgium, everyone! We literally rushed to the train. We arrived just in the moment that it was closing the door and Winter pushed them open. Because here everything makes a difference. As we don't have so much time, we really wanted to catch the first train that we could. So we
were even missing out on the beer tour because there's only 2 on Saturday and we're gonna miss out the second one.
Yeah, but we will go anyway to the brewery, but we will update you about that in a bit. We're not even sure that we got on the right train. We shall see, we will keep you updated. One hour after landing, oh my god, windy. We made it to the city. We already left our luggages. It's a bit too early for check-in. Now we're heading towards Frityland to try some Belgian fries, and then we are gonna hunt for beer immediately, straight to the core of the trip. Well, the queue seems promising. That took us 45 minutes, and not because the queue took 45 minutes, it's because we realized that it was cash only.
Took
no,
45 minutes.
The queue took me
But
maybe
the different queue.
15 minutes, exactly. We realized that it was cash only. We didn't have any cash, of course, so Vincent had to go to an ATM, and he had to queue there, and it started to rain, as you've seen. But anyway, now we have those fries, and apparently they are a huge thing here. And they are supposed to be something like no other fries anywhere else in the world. And we had this Andalus sauce, which is really popular. And it's mayo, tomato, and pepper. Drowned in sauce.
It's nice. I like it.
Are
I
they
normally don't
something
like chunky fries.
But are they something like super different from the usual fries?
Nah.
So,
not so much.
You don't see what's the hype about.
Probably because they're Belgian.
The potato itself is super good, I feel. It's like a very good quality of potato, so maybe it's more the potato rather than the way that it's fried. Yes!
Oh, the smell.
Vincent in his habitat, very happy. I'm very happy because there is a fireplace.
So we're in the Cantillon Brewery, which was founded in 1900 by Paul Cantillon and still runs completely by the family. Famous for their Lambic beer, which basically is the only style of beer which is like made with the wild fermentation. So they have no control over the fermentation process. All other beer that they make in the world is all by yeast produced in laboratories. This is a natural fermentation process that takes 3 years.
It's crazy.
Great. Nice Gaston Luga backpack.
In the bar now, and we are about to try the Lambic. The lady there, she said that we need to forget any taste of beer, so we need to forget beer as we know it and be open to a completely different taste. it has this thing that kicks you in at the beginning, like a yeast also, you feel it, and then it comes down immediately. So it's just the first sip that you take that is like boom, a punch of sour yeast. It's time for the second round.
The Lambic is the wine of the beer. This is the champagne of the beer. So to say.
Most
So this
premium.
is the blend between 3 different age of Lambic. Plus it has been fermenting extra in the bottle for several months. Similar to the Lambic, but more sparkling. So I like this one. I prefer when it's a bit more sparkling.
You guys, this is shocking. It was pissing down before we got in, and now it's sunny. We haven't seen the sun in months, me and Vince. In Sweden it's been so grey and rainy. You might know that Brussels is famous for this statue of a little boy that is literally taking a piss. But what not...
Say peeing, pissing sounds so...
He's taking a wee. But what not everyone knows is that there are 2 more statues of a dog that is taking a pee and of a girl that is taking a pee. And we just found the dog. It's just over there. Let's go and have a look. Bonjour. Which one is your most popular dish?
Most popular, the shrimp croquette. Croquette with great
Yeah,
shrimps
that's
inside.
the one that I would like, but he's not so fond of it.
Come with me.
So we are at this place that I thought that it was actually a restaurant until when we figure out that it's like a sort of seafood fast food that you just eat standing here. So we wanted to save it for dinner, but then we felt like it's not really a dinner place.
Sit down.
Exactly. So we might as well grab something now, just like a small dish to try something. So I went for their most popular dish, which is this shrimp croquette, and Vincent went for this snail soup, l'escargot soup. So they are both specialities of Brussels, and it seems to be super packed with locals, drinking wine, having fun, just in the middle of the city.
C'est très gentil. Yes,
It's like a Spanish croquette, but it tastes like shrimps. So it's super creamy inside, and Spanish croquette is one of my favorite things ever. It's so good, oh my god. You need to try it. Here it comes, snail soup. Warm. This is one of the reasons why I really wanted to come to Brussels. Waffle. They have 2 different kinds of waffle here in Brussels. One is the Liège waffle and one is the Brussels waffle. This is a Liège waffle, so it's like a thick one and more doughy. And this particular one, I've seen it on some YouTube videos. They stuff some chocolate bars in there and it melts inside. I'm so looking forward to try it. And it's like sugar glazed. Oh my god. It's less doughy than I thought actually. Because if you see, it's not like too chunky. It's really thin and crispy, but it's so much sugar. You can see the sugar crust. Definitely recommend it. Super good. You should try it.
Ush.
Please.
Brussels is a great place for beer, as you know. This is a famous, maybe the most famous in Brussels, Delirium. It's like a whole block. Everything comes, like the cafe, the village, the tap house, everything delivered.
It's the Delirium Street.
Do you think she's cute?
How many beers do they have? Like 3,000?
2,500.
2,500. That's insane.
Apparently they have the biggest beer selection in one place in the world, according
Oh
to
my
what we
God.
read.
Now we are gonna go and find the girl that is peeing. I just realized that it's true when people say the alcohol keep you warm. I don't need to wear gloves anymore.
It's funny, it took Alessia 31 years.
Yeah, I thought that it was just an excuse that people were finding to just drink alcohol. But actually it feels so good now.
She
I
never
don't
lived in Sweden and drank alcohol before.
So we got this mulled wine, and I think we can keep the cup, isn't it?
Looks like it.
Yeah. Souvenir for free. Guess what? We are eating again. Now it's dinner time actually. And we came to this very local restaurant that is super cozy. I'm not able to pronounce the name, so I will just write it down here. So far we highly recommend it. We are gonna go for mussels. Vincent will have a mussel stew with beer, and then we'll have gratinated mussels with cheese. And also I'm taking again the shrimp croquette to see if they are super amazing no matter where, or if they were only one from today that they were super good. And they also served us these little grey shrimps that they are like the local shrimps from Belgium, which are the ones that are actually in the croquette. And Vincent went for a beer, and he got recommended this Delta IPA.
Great suggestion for being me, like the perfect. Couldn't
Yeah.
be suggested better beer actually.
Exactly. They actually recommended a proper Vincent beer, and look what a beautiful glass that
Plus I had marked this brewery and their own bar on the map. Oh nice.
Good morning, guys. This is the day after. I just thought that I will pop in to give a closure to the video, as yesterday while we were having dinner, suddenly I started not to feel 100% good. I was feeling really cold and sleepy, and I didn't know if it was that I was sick or if I was just tired. We took a lot of cold during the day. So after dinner we straight took a Uber and came back to the hotel. The dinner was really delicious. It's really recommended, that restaurant, if you want that traditional Belgium feeling, but you don't want to go to this very super touristic places that are around the Grand Place, because those are really touristic, and I don't know if I would recommend it. Excuse Vincent with the hair dry. But yeah, it was a little bit on the pricey side, and the service, it was very, very slow. So we spent we spent 2 hours at the restaurant. But anyway, it was a very lovely experience. And if you want to see today's video, stay tuned. That is gonna come the next time. Thank you for watching. See you soon.